This is a Felco made in Switzerland pruner, and this is all of the small bamboo that was in my planters that needed to come out. These Felco products are really, really good. That's why I ended up, for bigger jobs, getting this. This is the Swiss-made Felco 210C-60. It has this composite handle. That was one of the reasons why I got it. I wanted something that was a little bit lighter so that I could work longer on my bamboo when it needed to get chopped, and every year it needs to get chopped. Having that little bit of extra length saves me a lot of pain in my lower back. All the way down. And on the thicker, older bamboo, that little pruner just won't work. You've got to get in there with something that's got a little bit more leverage, and the Felco 210C helps me get the muscle behind me to do that. It really is extremely sharp, extremely easy to use, and if the blade gets dull, you can either sharpen it, or Felco makes replacement blades for their loppers and their pruners. You can just buy a brand new sharp one and replace the dull one once you wear it out. I have found that the made in Switzerland quality of the Felco products really makes a difference in my garden. I'm really glad that I got their products, and I'm sure that you're going to be really glad if you do too.